Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today I'm going to tell about how can you off all apps in one time, guys. You want to off, guys, all apps, so guys you can off all apps in one time in Redmi 10 phone. Today I'm going to tell about how can you off it. Before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so go and subscribe my channel, guys. Click the bell icon, then like my videos. Now let's start video, friends. First of all, open your phone setting, then guys come on apps, click on Applock, draw your pattern. Guys, after that you can see this option, so guys we will have to click on this option. So we will click here, and guys you can see lock all apps, guys. So I click here, unlock all apps. As you see, guys, there is no any lock in my any setting. I hope, friends, you have understood how to unlock all apps once time in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you want, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.